Okay, here's where we're at on the 27th. I'm going to have to make some adjustments, but you'll see what we got here. I've got some linear tracking as far as distance from the plate that I got to adjust, and the lower and upper extents. But this is what it's going to look like anyhow. This is in run mode. It's tracking very well. It's staying right on the money as far as tracking the lines, but the distancing, I'm having a little issue with it. I got to straighten out because it is floating off a distance. It's hard to see from here, but I'm not going to put the laptop in the work envelope of the robot. So that's third pass right there. And it's doing the linear move exactly 25 millimeters. I've measured it. I'll probably upload this file to YouTube and send you a link for it because it's going to be quite a large file. I won't be able to email it to you. Hey, what's happening, partner? It's working like a charm. It's scary. Let me give you a call back in a minute. I'm doing a recording right now. All right. It is hard to see because you're only moving 25 millimeter, but it is moving and indexing each time. We've got one large Z going on right now. The issue that I have is that I think I'm going to have to stop at a point and start from the other side. So I've got quite a few computations to do to get that to work. Um, so I'm going to have to change some values and change the positioning of the robot and actually start from this other side and then bring it to the middle. Because of the distance right now, I'm having an issue. Really wish that plate was a little farther back, but I can't cut the end of arm off because I won't be able to reach my extents to the top. The reach is too high. Britt actually thinks that this speed may be a little too fast, so just to give you an idea of what you're looking at cycle time wise, we'll see what happens when we do a blast once I get it tweaked in and working. You'll notice it's going off the plate a little bit on the top, and so I got to change the offset bits a little bit and not hitting all the way the plate at the bottom. So, um, but again, those are just tweaks, so I'm not really concerned about those. The main program is pretty much written except for the fact I'm going to have to change the positioning of the robot when it gets to a certain point because it's not going to be able to reach. That's going to make it complicated. The lower extent, of course, is the issue. Actually, the plate is kind of twisted out. And that's as far as I can make it right now, it looks like. And I just got to make an adjustment at that position. It will go farther than that. I took it farther than that. It's just that my wrist action right now, it's maxed out, so I have to tweak that a little bit. So there is some tweaking going on here. A couple more days, I got to do some math. I'm going to work on it this weekend and figure out how I can restart it from this side and bring it over because of the lower points. So anyway, that's where we're at. Figured I'd give you a little show there. Talk to you. Bye.